Hi everyone, John Thistle from Newcastle Hearing. I'm dressed a little more casual today because it's an administrative day for me, so excuse the attire. But I wanted to speak with you about the perception of your own voice while wearing hearing aids. Now, historically, we've always just been led to believe that a side effect of wearing hearing aids is hearing yourself different. And that's a very common thing. Just about every person that we fit hearing aids on for the first time, one of the first reactions is, oh, I can hear myself. I can hear my own voice. And that's because you're wearing amplifiers on your ear. So you're hearing that sound that's being amplified and comes back in. And typically, it often is reported to sound like an echo. Now, the human mind is an incredible thing, and it's very adjustable, and we adapt quite quickly. However, it is still a part of the process. And some people can have an easier time adapting to the perception of their own voice than others. And there are certain things that we can do with the acoustics and the settings, but it still is one of the hurdles that we go through. Now, a few years ago, manufacturer Savantos came out with what they call OVP, or own voice processing, and that allowed us, when we were doing the fitting, to actually train the hearing aid to recognize your own voice. So during the fitting, we would enable this mode, and you would train it by counting up from the number 21. So you would sit there, 21, 22, 23, and then the hearing aids are able to identify specifically your own voice, and they would amplify your voice by less while still amplifying other voices by the same amount. So it's definitely improved the spontaneous acceptance and made the process easier. Now, there's a new product that's just come out from Widex, which is a Danish manufacturer. And what's really neat about this product, the Moment is what they call it, is the processing speed has been reduced significantly. So when you have a hearing aid, you have an acoustic sound that's being picked up by the microphone. That microphone is translating that into a digital signal. A digital signal is then processed in the computer chip. The computer chip then spits it out to the speaker, which then translates it back into an acoustic sound. And it takes time for that to happen. Now, most of the leading manufacturers have a time delay of between about 5 to 12 milliseconds. So we're talking just a fraction. However, it is perceivable, and it results in an echo perception with the sound. So when you hear your own voice resonating through your skull, and then you have this slight echo, the slight delay of your own voice, it takes a little bit to get used to it. Now, the Widex Moment product has reduced that time delay down to a half a millisecond, which cannot be perceived. The feedback that I have been getting, I've fit several pairs so far, and the feedback that I have been getting has been overwhelmingly positive. I can tell you, in the 17 years of doing this, I had never previously had anyone put hearing aids in and then make a positive comment, as a first-time user, make a positive comment about how their own voice sounds. So far, half of the people that I have fit so far, I've put the hearing aids in, and they've remarked that, wow, my own voice sounds good again. I have my voice back. And this is so exciting because it takes something that has always previously been a negative thing, and we're now turning it around. The technology allows it to actually be a positive thing. Obviously, where the hearing is to be able to hear other people, and the processing speed allows for that processing to happen much more accurately. So it's obviously other people, their voices are enhanced significantly as well. However, the spontaneous acceptance is considerably higher. This is a really exciting time. These are the first hearing aids that are being branded as being not sounding like hearing aid. They just sound natural. They sound normal. And so far, the feedback from my patients has been incredibly positive. If you have any questions about the Widex Moment or any other hearing aids or any other issues, please give me a call at 905-446-4327, or feel free to visit our website at www.newcastlehearing.ca. Thank you so much and have a great day.